Hi, hi all. I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today in this course we will cover scrolling in Selenium with example. So in Eclipse, I have created one scroll.java and one scroll test.java. So in scroll.java, I have created one construct webdriver, okay, and then scroll I created a constructor, okay, and here I have written the scroll horizontally. I'm using JavaScript executor to scroll down. So we will write JavaScript executor JS JavaScript executor in bracket and then driver, then JS execute script, then window troll scroll to 0. So vertical is like 0 to the document dot body dot scroll height till the bottom of the page. It should scroll and wait to just to show you that is scrolling properly or not. So here I have called that method initialize browser, maximize window, implicit wait, URL will open, get as title, then scroll object I have created, and then that method I have called, and tear down it will close the browser. Let's see how it works. It should scroll to the bottom of the page. So browser is loaded. Now URL is done. Now it's loading. I think it's loaded now. Okay. Today is taking time. Yeah, loaded. It is scrolled to the bottom and now it will close the browser. See, it passes. Okay. So we test I have done. It's passed. Okay. So scrolling is done. Read to the end. Okay. Got it? Like how you will perform it scrolling in Selenium. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.